today we're going to be taking a look at these three watch bands for the Apple Watch. We have the Trail Loop, we have the Alpine Loop, and we have the silicone one which came with the watch. Now the Silicone Strap, once it's on, it's really comfortable. It really is. But I don't particularly like it. I didn't like the way it fastened with the little stud that pushes through. I've had these sort before and I do know they come undone, but how good this one will be I don't know. But like I say, it is really comfortable. So I went and bought the Alpine Loop. Again, it's nice. It's slightly stretchy, got a slight stretch to it. It is looped when it's on the watch. This, I'll call it a number 9 catch, but it just slides through the appropriate hole and it's not going to come undone. It really isn't. But I did find it a bit fiddly to put on and off. It wasn't ideal. And then also, I don't know, the edges, maybe it's just this strap, but I found the edges a little bit sharp. But other than that, again, it's a good strap, and it does what it's supposed to do. It certainly won't fall off your wrist, your watch won't, if you're wearing that. So eventually, I ended up with the Trail Loop. And again, slightly stretchy, because smooth, quite relatively soft inside that goes against your wrist. And this is Velcro fastening, so when it's on, it just Velcros on, which is okay, you could say it's not that secure, but I don't know, I've not had an issue with it. The only thing I'm sort of concerned about is how long do these Velcro loops and hooks last. I don't know, we'll have to, time will tell on that one. But like I say, my preference is the Trail Loop. Anyway, let's put them on the watch and see how they look. This is how the Trail Loop looks. And like I say, this is my preference. It's just a more comfortable, it's a little bit softer band, and yeah, it just feels good compared to the others. But everybody has different tastes, don't they? So what's good for one might not be good for another. Okay, so this one is the Alpine Loop. And like I say, I mean, it's nice enough strap, but I just found that looping this when it's on your wrist, it's not that easy a job, because it'll never come off. It won't. It'll never come undone. That won't. So when it's on, it's comfy enough, but I just find the edges a little bit sharp when you bend your wrist. But to get it off, it's you know, it's a two-handed job, isn't it? It's really, I mean, that came undone quite easy then. It's not really proving my point. But it is fiddly. I mean, on these loops, feeding them through the end buckle. It's not the simplest job. Here we have the Silicone Strap, which is really comfortable to wear. I won't deny that. It really is light and so soft and smooth. But I just don't like trying to put it on. It's so difficult. Again, it's a two-handed job, isn't it? You know, I mean, how are you supposed to do this? Let's just poke it through that hole there. Where's that go? Does it go through there? I mean, oh, it's on, but I don't know. And it is so comfortable. It's not tight enough, it needs to tighten up there, but it doesn't take much to pop that. It doesn't take much to pop that off at all. So although it's nice to wear, I find it too fiddly. So there we have it. That's what I think of these 3 straps. At the end of the day, it's down to personal taste and what suits you, isn't it? What's good for one person isn't for another. So yeah, the trail loop is the one for me. I mean, I may wear these, I may not. I don't think I'll be wearing the silicone one because I just don't like the way it fastens. By the way, it's not an Apple Watch. This is called the H10 Pro. It's an Apple clone. It's pretty much one-to-one clone, but you can check out the review on that. I'll leave a link somewhere up here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.